What kind of future are we creating if the voices guiding it are silent? Every child we teach today becomes the society we live in tomorrow. In a world that is constantly changing, the role of a young teacher is no longer limited to delivering knowledge. Instead, a young teacher becomes a guide, a mentor, and most importantly, a voice that shapes the values of the next generation. Through simple daily interactions, teacher influence how students think, behave, and respond to the world around them. And this influence slowly builds the foundation of a sustainable Madani society. A young teacher is more than just a person who stands in front of the classroom and explains lesson. A young teacher represents energy, relatability, and change because they are closer in age and experience to the students. They are often able to connect on a deeper level. This connection allows them to shape not only academic understanding but also personal growth. When a teacher speaks with kindness, students learn empathy. When a teacher listens, students feel valued. When a teacher encourages, students begin to believe in themselves. These small moments, although often unnoticed, carry long-term impact. However, inside the classroom, learning is not only about textbooks or examinations. It is about building responsible individuals. For example, when a teacher encourages students to ask questions, they are not just promoting participation, but also developing confidence and independence. At the same time, when group work is introduced, students learn cooperation, respect for others' opinion, and teamwork. In addition, when topics related to environmental awareness are discussed, such as recycling or reducing waste, students begin to understand their role in protecting the planet. As a result, the classroom becomes a space where knowledge and value can grow together. Moreover, the role of a young teacher does not end when the lesson is over. Beyond the classroom, their influence continues through action. An example, when teachers participate in community activities, promote kindness, or demonstrate responsible behavior, students observe and learn. For instance, a simple act such as picking up a litter or helping someone in need can leave a strong impression on a student. Over time, these observations shape their mindset and behavior. Consequently, students begin to understand and sustainability is not just an idea discussed in school, but a way of living that should be practiced daily. At times, the impact of a teacher may not be immediately visible. There are no instant results or clear measurements of success. However, the true influence of a teacher appears over time in decisions students make, in the way they treat others, and in how they contribute to society. A student who learns responsibility becomes an adult who acts with integrity. A student who learns compassion becomes someone who contributes positively to their community. Therefore, every word spoken and every action shown by a teacher carries meaning and responsibility. In conclusion, a Madani society is not built overnight. It is shaped gradually through consistent guidance, meaningful interactions, and strong values. Young teachers play a crucial role in this process because their voices influence the heart and minds of future generations. By choosing to teach with purpose, care, and awareness, they became part of something greater than themselves. They became the voices that shape tomorrow because, in the end, the future is not something we wait for, but something we build starting from the classroom.